In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Generative Fill in Photoshop Beta, a powerful tool that can drastically enhance your editing skills. Whether you're a beginner looking to get started or a professional aiming to refine your techniques, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Firstly, let's dive into adding your image. Open Photoshop and make sure you're working in the beta version to access the Generative Fill feature. Once you have your workspace ready, go ahead and import the image you'd like to edit. You can do this by simply dragging and dropping your image file into the Photoshop window. Alternatively, you can navigate to the File menu, choose Open, and select your desired image from your computer. Remember, the image is your canvas, so make sure it is the appropriate resolution and quality for the edits you wish to make. Now that your image is loaded, the next task is to select the object you wish to modify. Photoshop offers several tools for selection, such as the magic wand, lasso tool, or the quick selection tool. Each tool is designed for different selection needs, so choose the one that best fits the object you're working with. For our tutorial, let's use the quick selection tool. It's efficient for quickly identifying large areas within your image. Click and drag over your object to create a selection. If you've selected too much or too little, don't worry. You can adjust your selection using the Shift key to add or the Alt key to subtract selections. With your object now selected, it's time to move on to the exciting part, Generative Fill. Right-click on the selected area and a context menu will appear. From here, select Fill to bring up the fill options. In the Photoshop Beta version, you'll see an option for Generative Fill. Choose this option to open the Fill Settings dialog. Generative Fill uses Adobe's AI technology to intelligently analyze your selection and generate new content. This feature can add textures, patterns, or even remove and replace objects seamlessly. Feel free to experiment with the settings to see what works best for your image. Adjust the opacity and blending modes to better integrate the new fill with the existing image content. Here's a handy tip. Zoom in to closely observe how well the fill blends in, making finer adjustments if necessary to maintain a natural appearance. Once you're satisfied with the result, save your edited image. You can do this by going to the File menu, selecting Save As, and choosing your preferred format and save location. Always keep a backup of the original in case you need to revert any changes later. And there you have it. You've just used Generative Fill in Photoshop Beta like a pro. This tool opens up a world of creative possibilities, allowing you to transform your images in innovative ways. Don't hesitate to explore and apply these techniques to further develop your skills. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!